Super simple video here on how to update your page titles using the Yoast plugin in your WordPress website. I've installed Yoast here and I've got my page title tags ready to go. So the next step is for me to go into all pages and then scroll down to, I'm looking at updating my services pages today, so I'll go to the website support page. And now if you scroll down below all your content of the page, and you'll find the Yoast SEO panel here. The next step for me is to click this preview title here, and that brings up all these default Yoast SEO page title tags, which I'm actually going to delete. And I'm going to copy and paste my title tag for support. Copy this whole thing and just paste that in there. It's gone green. That's exactly the way I want it. This is how it's going to look in the preview if I update the page. It's been updated. I can view the page now and see my change. My new title tag is reflected in the website tab title area. If I go view page source and have a look for the title, so this is what it's updated, what Yoast has updated in the code for us. So the search engine comes along and reads all this and then gets to this title and serves that up to the user in the Google search results. The user likes what it says, they click the link and they go and visit your website.